What's up? I'm that one guy from 87, and this is how I fixed the tailgate handle on my 2007 Chevy Silverado. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is take the handle cover off, which I'm going to use a pick. You can probably use a flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's not in the lock position. And then there should be 3 clips. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then there's this piece that goes over a bolt sticking out. So once you have the cover off, you can disconnect the arms, which are connected by 2 latches, 1 on each side. Just push down with your finger. And then if you use a screwdriver, be careful. I actually broke one of these latches. And then once the latches are down, or the clips, you just pull the arm straight out. Now if it's just the handle that's broke and not the latches on the side of the tailgate, then you should be able to manually lock the tailgate or close it by grabbing the arms and pushing outwards, and then also open it by grabbing the arms and pulling them inwards. So once you get the tailgate down, there will be 3 bolts on the inside of the tailgate holding the handle on. So I got 2 right here and then 1 underneath the cover. And on my truck, I'll be using a 13mm socket to take the bolts out. So first, take the first 2 out. Remove the cover. And then take the last bolt out. And since we already disconnected the arms, the handle should come right out. So before realizing that I was able to clean this handle very well and get all the parts moving again on it, I ordered this handle, which said it was the right handle for my truck. However, it is not. So again, if you have to order one, make sure you order the original or one similar to this and not this one. Also, if your new handle does not come with clips, or for some reason you need to change the clips out, you just squeeze them and push them straight out. Pretty simple. So once you clean your handle to where it's working again, or you're ready to install your new one, just turn it upside down. Make sure the bottom bolt is facing the cab of the truck. Slide it in with the top of it facing you first, and then the bottom. Then you can line up your holes and replace your bolts. Replace your cover, and then put the top 2 bolts in. So once the handle is bolted back in and you have your tailgate back up, you grab the arms and reconnect them, which you probably want to make sure your clip is facing down, which the arm actually goes into the clip, and then push the clip upwards and out to connect it back to the arm. And then with the passenger side arm, you do the same. But you want to make it sure it goes behind the locking mechanism. And then do the same with the clip. And then once the lock piece is down, it should open. I did have an issue once where the locking mechanism shifted on me and I was unable to get it to go back down. But however, I was able to take the handle back off, move the parts around, put the handle back in the tailgate, and then it started working fine again. So once you have the handle all put back together, all that's left is to put the cover back on, which you'll have 3 clips. And then this piece sticking out will go over the bottom bolt underneath the handle, which you'll line that up first and then just snap it in. So if you believe you're having issues with the latches themselves on the side of the tailgate, they seem pretty easy to take off also, which I didn't have an issue with these, but I'll go ahead and take them off so that way we can see how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the arm to the handle, or from the handle, and then pull the arm out. And then pull the handle and the arm at the same time to let the tailgate down. Undo the strap. You just pull it back, pops right off. Then you'll have 2 bolts, which again, I'm gonna be using the 13mm. And then you just pull it out, which the only thing holding the arm to the latch is just another clip. So to put the latch back on, just stick it back in, and then also make sure the latch is underneath the handle, or positioned underneath the handle and not above the handle, because if you put the bolts back in with the arm up here, you'll just have to take them right back out and reposition the arm and put the bolts back in. Then reconnect your strap, which you just slide the nut in, pull down, it should clip into place. And then once you have the latch back on, you can just reconnect the arm. And then put the faceplate back on. So, I'm that one guy from 87, and I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.